Good morning everybody, Tracy and Pearl here from Uniquely Creative. Today we've got our Advent kit and we want to show you what is in the Advent kit for the first day, what the girls got to open on the 1st of December. So, Pearly, if we open up this box, like this, we see a big number 1 in there. Do you want to open up this first package for us? Okay, hold it up a little bit higher. Are you ready? Can you get it open? Take the number 1 off. What's inside? Oh, 12 by 12 papers. Do you like them, Pal?
Yeah.
They're really cute. It's got a cute little little bunny on there. Look at those. They're so cute. So that's what's in day 1, a whole paper pack in day number 1. And I know some of you are going to have the question, are we able to buy these products if we didn't get the Advent kit? The answer is yes. We have a limited quantity of these products available on the website from the 1st of January. Thanks for watching our video today. We will see you tomorrow when we open up day number 2.